Another home, another tour. Welcome back to #MJDC Recommend! Fresh, hot, and ready for viewing. Welcome to Centrina Alaminos. Here are the top 5 reasons kung bakit Centrina should be your next address.
Reason number 1, prime na prime ang location. Located along Maharlika Highway, Barangay San Benito, Alaminos, Laguna, na super accessible sa mga public transportation going to Manila. At alam mo bang malapit lang ito sa upcoming Macban SLEX exit? Malapit sa malls, schools, churches, hospital at palengke. Convenience? Check na check!
Reason number 2, exclusive residential community and resort-inspired amenities. Tahimik? Check! Secured? Check! Social? Double check! You're not just buying a house, you're upgrading your lifestyle. Feel the everyday vacation sa first-class amenities.
Reason number 3, proven and trusted developer. Developed by Red Oak Properties, the name behind Amaresa 1, Amaresa 2, Amaresa Marilao, Centrina Lipa, and Centrina Calamba. Siguradong quality homes ang makukuha mo. Hassle-free turnover? Guaranteed!
Reason number 4, all in. Walang gulatan. Lahat na sa total contract price na. No hidden charges. Guided at assisted ka pa sa loan process mo. Stress-free ang home buying experience mo.
Reason number 5, elegant, modern, and move-in ready homes. Modern contemporary design na pwede pang small or big family. Fully finished na, may pintura, tiles, at partition. Gamit mo na lang ang kulang.
You got 5 model units to choose from. Ara, Raya, Amira, Avina, and Lavine. Ang tanong na lang, alin dito ang future home mo?
This is Crystal Lera,
Grand Joseph R. Sorbito,
EJ Reyes,
Jel Morado from MJDC Realty.
Habitol at Centrina Alaminos. Kita-kits ulit sa next MJDC Recommends!